What's up everyone, MJ Plays here. Inside of today's video, we're going to be getting Crow to max tier with one of the friends I met here in Brawl Stars. He's also a subscriber to the channel, which is Crying Man, so shout out to him. He's pretty dope with loot, so we're going to be pushing the max tier. You can see we're currently at 994 trophies. He's at 984. And once we win this game, because of the win streak, we will both be at max tier, I believe. And so we're going to probably play one or two more games in max tier just to get a little bit more footage. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Before we do that real quick, I'm using the slowdown gadget. I'm using the gear, the mythic gear for the extra poison damage, the damage gear as well. I'm using the second star power here. And of course we have Crow's hypercharge. And then we're using the Moon Guardian Crow skin, which is pretty dope. So let's jump into it. Okay, I just got clipped quick. All right, let's lock in. Let's lock in. Got a little sloppy. Nice Crying Man. He's actually pretty nice with Lou. Very clutch. Ouch. Okay, Fang. Think we pissed Fang off. Nice. And that Cordelius, that was actually pretty bad timing by taking him to the shadow round. They might have been able to score on that one. Man, this Cordelius is clipping me. He is absolutely deleting me. I'm getting carried right now. But it's all good, man. That's why it's all about team. It's all about team. All about team. Okay, so that's like 4 losses already. Like 4, man. Like we're winning, but my goodness, like that was risky. I was just trying to get my lick back, which probably shouldn't have done that. Stakes are kind of high. You know, we're 1 game away from max tier, even though we're up. Let's slow them down. Nice. All right, let's just lock all the way in here. Let's lock all the way in. Let's lock all the way in. Nice. I was gonna say I should be able to get the Fang kill. And I don't know if we score here, but nope. Okay. Okay. Let's just hold pressure. Let's just hold pressure. Let's just hold pressure. I do have my hypercharge. Freak, man. I couldn't get away quick enough. There's nothing I can do. I think we got this. Nice. Nice. We got the W. We got the W. Good stuff. Good stuff, Lou. Crying Man doing this thing. So we are at max tier. We're going to go ahead and ready up again. And we're going to go ahead and play at max tier. Because I'm pretty sure he has the same win streak as me. That's 9 wins in a row now. And this is all in Brawl Ball. So I believe he should be at max tier as well. But we're going to probably, if we win this game, we're probably going to play 1 more game. And then we should be good to go. Because I definitely want to make sure he gets max tier as well. Clutch. We was able to clip him, tag team him. We're gonna push the ball up just a little bit. Got to be careful with that grip. He takes so much damage, and we know Crow is so squishy. I want to get it out of this corner here, push it up. All right. what just happened there? What just happened there? Nice move, nice move, nice move. I'll say should be able to get the kill. And even though I shot, the poison will still tick. Nice, let's go. Nice, we got the score. Okay, we just got to hold pressure, try to get a score again. All right, nice. Let me get this side. Ah, no, 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 no. Nice, and that was clutch. Perfect timing. Perfect timing. Perfect timing. I use my hypercharge and special. He used his. Perfect timing. Let's go. Let's go. Nice, and we just got the crow pin. We're gonna play one more game here. You can see we're currently at 1,020 trophies. And also this is my 22nd max brawler, not including Buzz Lightyear. So, you know, if you want to include him, it's 23, but I don't really include him because he's temporary, which I've mentioned in, you know, previous videos. So let's lock in. Let's lock in. Definitely don't want to get hit by that Macy. Macy can two-shot me, no problem. Okay. Man, got me out of position, and I got clipped by Macy. As soon as I'm at half life, she can one-shot me, man. She takes so much damage. Wow. Okay. Okay. Let me lock in. I'm kind of off my square a little bit. Man, Crow is so squishy, man. If you're not good with dodging, you are going to be punished. Because this guy is hella squishy. And I mean, I could have used the other gadget for the... They just scored on us. Freak. Like, I don't know, man. We just seem off. Like, we don't seem like we're clicking as a team, you know? Risky, but I'm going for the Macy kill. The Gus is spinning like he did something. Bro, I had like 200 HP, bro. You should kill me. Like, I'm trying to allow us to move forward a little bit so we can score. Bro spinning like he doing something. Man, that's crazy. Macy hit me one time and I'm dead, bro. Like, that is so much power, bro. Look at our stats. 0-5, 1-6, 1-6. They freaking destroyed us. Destroyed us. And there goes our win streak. Oh, man. Why do we keep getting put with buzzers, man? Like, come on, man. What is up? Like, we was having some nice games with no buzzers on either side. I figured I didn't know if someone was there. I thought someone was there, man. Like, freak, man. I'm starting to get irritated. It's like I can't find a groove, man. Oh man, I was trying to get the kill on the freaking BB, man. It's probably terrible special there. Just trying to get the kill. We can then. Almost got killed, man. Like, wow. Nice, nice, nice. That should be a score. That should be a score. Let's go. Let's go. That was kind of clutch at the end, that hypercharge. That was kind of clutch. That was kind of clutch. Let's do one more. Let's do one more. We're going to do one more. And this is at max tier, as you can see, guys. So, you know, it's a little bit easier, of course, if you get someone who, you know, you guys can play off of each other. And it's good to, you know, play some games with each other so you can really kind of learn how each other plays, you know, your strengths, your weaknesses, you can play off. Now, this is going to be a little difficult with this Doug, not going to lie. We probably should have just went back to the lobby on this one. But, all right. This is going to be a little difficult. This Doug is going to be a problem for sure. I passed it to him so he can waste an ammo, and I try to get the clip and hurry up and get the score. But the plan in my head didn't work out here on the Brawl Ball field. Gotta wait for Hot Dog to leave before you kill him, or he's just gonna revive himself with full freaking health. Oh my gosh, man, we can't gain anything. Like, that was another chance that we could try to score. We can't gain no leverage, nothing. Is that a score? Nice. All right.
Don't mess with my crew.
We got Doug out of here. We have to make use of this. I'm gonna slow him down. We got the kill. We gotta make use of this. Is my team? Oh, my team is dead. That is bull. That's bull, bro. That bull, man, that is bull. Rico, I promise you, he out of all brawlers, he probably has the most. I had to kill him. He probably has the most luckiest kills. We just fucking lost. Freak, man. Like, what the hell, bro? We're gonna go back to the lobby. He's at max tier. He's at 1,002 trophies. I'm at 1,012 trophies. So we're still at max tier. But yeah, man, I'm done, man. I don't want to tilt. But shout out to Crime, man. Good game to you, bro. Give him the thumbs up. But yeah, we played pretty good. Just wanted to try to do a little bit different video and show you another brawler using a different mode, getting to, you know, max tier. We also play some games at max tier. So for those still watching, I do want to show you this battle log real quick, just to show you we were cooking. We were on like a 10-game win streak. You can see we lost there at 1,020 trophies. We won, lost, and we won. But real quick, I'm going to show you this. This is at 1,007 trophies. That's 1 win, 2 wins, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 10 games in a row. You can see we were at 905 trophies, and this is with the guy Crying Man. Shout out to him. We definitely was grinding 905 all the way up to a high of 1,020, and then we lost and came back down to 1,012 trophies, which is where we are today. So we definitely was cooking, man, as you can see from the battle log. And I didn't want to show too many games. I didn't want to show, you know, the games from the battle log because I didn't want this video to be too long, you know. But if you guys would like to see something like that next time, definitely let me know down in the comment section. And then before we get out of here, I'm going to go ahead and show you all 22 brawlers. Now, if you want to include Buzz Lightyear, which I don't include him because he's temporary, that would make it 23 out of the, you know, 87 brawlers. So real quick, we got Shelly, Bull, El Primo, Rosa. We got Daryl, Stu, Edgar, Macy, Pearl, Buzz here. We got Otis, Miko. There is Buzz Lightyear, but again, I don't count him. We now have Crow, Cordelius, Bo, Shade, Doug, Juju, Sandy, Kit, Surge, and Jackie. So those are all 22 brawlers that I have here at max tier. Of course, we're going to be getting more brawlers at max tier, and we still have 2 other hyperchargers to check out, which is Melody and Gray. So if you watched the video this far, really appreciate it. Let me know down in the comment section which hypercharge you would like to see first, Grays or Melodies, and I will catch you all on the next one.